What do you need to survive the wilderness in 3 days? Here are some kits, supplies, and everything you need to survive in the Essential Wilderness Survival Kit. Well, get ready to listen because here are some things you need. Let's pack!
Just remember the rules of trees who can survive 3 hours without warmth, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food.
Let's start with the first one, blades, one of the basic and most important things you need.
You can use the blade in some sort of things from freeing yourself when you are tangled carving woods for something and even helping you to build a shelter.
But for more advanced, we recommend you to bring a bushcraft knife, a small hatchet, or maybe a handsaw.
Next, shelter. It is important to keep yourself warm, especially in the wilderness, so we recommend you to bring this emergency tent. Easy to build, really, and comfy, also waterproof.
Next, fire. You need to know how to start a fire. You could use some waterproof matches, a faro rod, maybe a magnesium fire kit, and a survival matches.
Next, a cordage. You need it to tie something, maybe your shelter and some other things.
Next is water. I would recommend you to bring a water container with a water filter in it because we need to be safe at all times.
Next, light. Do you know light makes the dark less scary? So you should bring a flashlight or a headlight and also some extra batteries.
Next, first aid kit and medicines in case you get sick or have a wound.
And most importantly, food. Bring some non-perishable food and ready to eat, so you won't starve to death surviving in the wilderness.
And here are some other kits you need to bring. Battery-powered radio so you can call someone in case you're in danger. Emergency blanket to keep yourself warm. Extra cash. Map of the area in case you don't know where to go. And family contact information. And with that kits, you should be able to survive in the woods in 3 days. Thank you so much.